Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I will show you how to fix high ping in Valorant in super easy steps. Let's go. The first thing we should do is always close any unnecessary applications in our PC. For that, just do Ctrl-Alt-Delete to open the task manager, and in the window that pops up just like I'm showing you right here, yes, and tabs by right clicking on anything that is not Valorant, because they might take up your network space, your memory space, or anything of that sort. If that doesn't work, make sure your internet is as good as new. For that, you can use an internet cable. You don't do it. You can restart your modem or router. Limit the number of active connections on your network. Maybe just don't use the phone on your internet on the phone right now. Maybe try VPN or just contact your ISP for a better bandwidth. But if your internet is normally good and only having problems in Valorant or any online games, we can open firewall ports. For that, we need to go into our control panel on our PC and then go into System and Security. From System and Security, we will go into Windows Defender Firewall. And from here, we will be able to do Advanced Settings. Then we will right click on Inbound Rules and select a new rule. From here, we can do ports, and a new port could be like 7000 to 7500. So that's the basic Valorant game client UDP. Or an easy thing we can do is just set Valorant priority to high. For that, we will do Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open the task manager window. Then from the menu that pops up, we will go into details, and from details, we will find Valorant, and of course right click, then set priority to high. That will help Valorant work better. And of course, with anything like this, always make sure all of your devices, all of your network adapters, all your CPUs and motherboard softwares are updated to the fullest, because they might change your performance a lot. Other than that, that was basically it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Other than that, we hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day, and goodbye.